Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to apply for a digital nomad visa in Malaysia. Now, to apply for a digital nomad visa in Malaysia, follow the steps that I will show you in this video. The first step is to simply check whether you are eligible or not. So before applying, ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria, including having a valid passport, sufficient income and other requirements. And after that, collect the required documents such as a valid passport with empty pages, an updated CV and a bank statement. And after that, simply create an account by visiting to the official Malaysia Digital Nomad Visa application portal and create an account using your email address. So after that, when you are completing the form, you simply fill out the online application form with accurate information, provide details about your employment, income and other requirement information that may be asked to you in the form. So after you have done completing the form, so if there is a fee that you have to pay, just simply complete the process by using your credit card or PayPal as specified in the application process. And after that, just simply upload the necessary document, ensuring they meet the specified requirements. Then just simply wait for the processing of your application. So the processing time may vary, so just be patient, or you can also ask for an additional information if you want so. Then once your application is approved, you will receive the Malaysian Digital Nomad Visa, officially known as D-Renta, allowing you to live and work remotely in Malaysia. And after receiving your visa, ensure that you adhere to all the rules and regulations associated with the digital nomad visa during your stay in Malaysia, and stay updated on any changes or updates to the visa requirements or regulations by checking the official government sources. Now lastly, an important note. So remember that specific requirement and procedure may change over time, so it's necessary to check the official government website or relevant authorities for the most up-to-date information and instructions regarding the Malaysia Digital Nomad Visa application process. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do subscribe to our channel and take care.